What is a magnet? Do you know what these things are? If you say it's a magnet, then you're right. Magnets are used in many places. Today, let's learn about them. So, what exactly is a magnet? A magnet is some kind of metal object. It's usually iron or steel. It can attract certain kinds of metals. The force that attracts objects to the magnet is called magnetism. And the area around the magnet is called a magnetic field. Metal sheets like iron or steel will be attracted by magnets. This is called attraction. When this attraction occurs, the metal will stick tightly to the magnet like glue. Each magnet has two poles. One is called the North Pole, and the other is called the South Pole. Do you want to know an interesting fact? The North Pole and South Pole of a magnet attract each other. When they get close, they always pull together. But if two magnets have the same pole, like two North Poles or two South Poles, they push each other away. That is repulsion. Let's test it out. First, try to bring two North Poles close together. They are repelling each other. Let's try again. Two South Poles are brought together. They also repel each other. Now let's put a North Pole and a South Pole together. Can you guess what will happen? You guessed it right. They stick together. Because they attract each other. Isn't that cool? There are three types of magnets: temporary magnets, permanent magnets, and electromagnets. Temporary magnets become magnetic when there is a magnetic field. When the magnetic field disappears, the magnetism also disappears. For example, when you rub a paperclip or a nail with a magnet, they temporarily become magnets. Permanent magnets are made of materials like iron or nickel. These materials have their own magnetic fields naturally or after chemical treatment. The magnet on your refrigerator is a permanent magnet. An electromagnet is made by passing an electric current through a coil with a metal core. When the current is on, the metal core generates a magnetic field. When the current is off, the magnetic field disappears. For example, a magnetic resonance imaging machine is an electromagnet. TVs and computers also use this technology. Where are magnets used? Magnets are used in many places. Not just to stick your schoolwork on the refrigerator, they are used in speakers, computer motors, doorbells, telephones, compasses, and tools. Magnets are also used in automatic doors, recycling centers, hospitals, and many other places. And here's an interesting fact. The core of the Earth is made of iron and nickel. So the Earth has its own magnetic field too. Magnets are really cool, right? Now you know more about magnets. Let's test what you've learned about new knowledge. Question 1. There are several types of magnets. There are three kinds of temporary magnets: permanent magnets and electromagnets. Question 2. What is the area around a magnet called? It's called a magnetic field. Question 3. Does the core of the Earth have its own magnetic field? Yes, it does. Question 4. What happens when the south poles of two magnets approach each other? They will repel each other or push away. Question 5. What is magnetic resonance imaging an example of? It's an electromagnet. Magnets are everywhere. You may have used magnets without realizing it at some point. But now you know more about magnets. You'll find that they appear in many seemingly random places. Hope you had a pleasant time learning. See you next time.